How to fix sorry something went wrong error in Black Myth, Wukong, all fixes 2026. 1. Restart your PC and Steam Epic. Close. Black Myth, Wukong completely. Restart Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Reboot your computer normally. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam, Epic Games Launcher, go to Black Myth, Wukong Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Steam Epic Launcher as Administrator. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 7. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R. Type sent local app data % and press Enter. Delete Black Myth, Wukong cache config files carefully. 8. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus temporarily. Allow the game through Windows Security. Relaunch the game afterward. 9. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Black Myth, Wukong completely. Delete leftover game cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.